In this video, we are going to be covering how One2Call customers can run some simple tasks to speed up their Windows PC. If you would like to learn how your business can access these easy-to-use tools, click the link in the description to find out about One2Call's IT support services. In your Windows Start bar, click the arrow next to the clock in the bottom right corner of your screen. In the launch tray you will find an option for One2Call Communicator. Right-click on this option. In the menu, select Maintenance Tasks. Here you can run a number of quick tasks such as delete temporary internet files, delete temporary files, and run disk check. Next, it is important to ensure that you do not have any Windows updates pending. These should be installed regularly. Please note that dependent on your Windows version, the following steps may look different, however all options are located in the settings screen. You can check for updates by going to your Windows Start menu and click on the settings icon. Once in the Windows settings menu, click on the update option. Then, on the update screen, click check for updates. Allow all of the available updates to download and install. If requested at this time, restart your PC. If it does not request it, we would still recommend to restart your PC after following all of the steps in this video. Other things you can try to improve your PC speed are: close all unneeded browser tabs. Whilst the latest versions of Chrome and Edge do have an auto-suspend feature, it is still best practice to close these to reduce on-memory usage further. Next, if you experience slow startup speeds for your PC, it could be that some unneeded applications are starting with your PC, which is leading to excessive start times. To check what applications are starting with your PC, right-click on your Start bar and click Task Manager. In the Task Manager, click the Startup tab. Here you will see a list of all applications which start with your PC. While some, such as security services, are essential, others such as Microsoft Teams, Edge, or Chrome, and music services, such as Spotify, could be leading to excessive start times. To disable these from starting with your PC, right-click and click the Disable option. If you continue to experience issues after these tasks are performed, reach out to our help desk team who can work with you to understand what is causing the issue. You can even create a ticket directly from the One2Call Communicator in your taskbar.